Hello, everyone. I will show you this LED screen. This is outdoor P4 LED screen. Full screen size is 1.6 meter by 2.56 meter. Piece pitch is 4 millimeter, and front maintenance product. Okay, let me show how to take down this LED module. Okay, let me show how to put it back the LED module. This is a hole. Yeah. This is the other hole. Okay. Let me show how to take down the LED module. This hole. Okay. You can see it's a single cable. This power cable. You see, this is waterproof rubber. Waterproof rubber can be waterproof. Okay. Connector power. Yeah, full screen. Okay, let me show how to fix the LED cabinet. You can see this is connector plot. It's okay.